Imagine a fruit so vibrant it's like a burst of sunshine on the coldest of days. That's the kiwi for you. With its brilliant green flesh and tantalizing taste, the kiwi is a delight for the senses. Originally from China, this fruit is now grown in orchards across the globe, thriving in varying climates. Its unique look, with a fuzzy brown exterior enclosing a vibrant core, is instantly recognizable. This small, fuzzy fruit is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with health benefits that make it a must-have in your diet. The journey of a kiwi from an orchard to your table is quite fascinating. Let's imagine it together. The story begins with the blossoming of delicate white flowers on the kiwi vine. As the flowers bloom, they are pollinated, and the magic begins. These flowers transform into small, fuzzy fruits. Over time, under the watchful care of the farmer and the nurturing rays of the sun, these fruits grow larger and firmer. As the kiwi matures, it begins to acquire its signature vibrant green color inside. This is nature's signal that the kiwi is packing itself full of goodness. And what a powerhouse it is! Each kiwi fruit is a treasure trove of nutrients. It comes loaded with vitamin C, even more than an orange. Vitamin C, as we know, is a strong antioxidant and a vital player in boosting our immune system. But the goodness doesn't stop there. The kiwi also brings a healthy dose of vitamin K, essential for bone health and blood clotting, and let's not forget about the potassium, a key mineral that supports heart function. The kiwi is also rich in antioxidants, those wonderful substances that help protect our cells from damage. The journey ends when the kiwi is perfectly ripe and ready for harvest. It's at this point that the kiwi is picked, packed, and set off on its journey to your table. So the next time you bite into a juicy kiwi, remember the journey it took to reach you, bringing along a wealth of health benefits. Now let's delve deeper into the health benefits of this vibrant fruit. Kiwi, a powerhouse of vitamin C, provides immune support by helping to ward off infections and illnesses. Its enzymes, like actinidin, boost digestive health by breaking down proteins and facilitating nutrient absorption. For heart health, kiwi's ample potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, and its antioxidants may reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. The combo of vitamin C and antioxidants in kiwi promotes collagen synthesis, leading to healthy, glowing skin. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants known for maintaining eye health. Kiwi's antioxidant richness aids in neutralizing free radicals, protecting cells from damage. With low calorie and high fiber content, it's ideal for weight management. Kiwi also supports bone health with vitamin K and provides an energy boost with its natural sugars. So there you have it. Kiwi, a small fruit, carries an impressive array of health benefits that makes it a great addition to your daily diet. Adding kiwi to your diet is easy and delicious. This vibrant fruit can be sliced and added to salads for a burst of freshness, or blended into smoothies for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Want a quick snack? Just cut one in half and scoop out the sweet tart goodness. You can even use kiwi to garnish your desserts, adding a pop of color and a boost of health benefits. With so many health benefits and numerous ways to enjoy it, make the kiwi a part of your diet and revel in the goodness it brings to your health.